Go!
Guys, paano yun? Tumisa lang. Paano guys? I can't imagine myself doing like that. Can you stop that?
Pronouns Callen's family.
Ito na lang. Announcement. We would like to inform you that we need one member to our Collins family, and we need one guy to mahirap mag-English, pwede Tagalog.
Pwede magsabi daw lahat, babayusin, RIP. 1, 2, 3, go!